Welcome. In front of me I have the QCY SP7 speaker. I think that's pretty correct in terms of trying to pronounce whatever that is. Although I'm not going to ever attempt to pronounce this, as I can't even read it. So anyway, I will be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the speaker itself. Now this is the first time I'm ever encountering this brand, so yeah, I have zero knowledge of what I'm getting into. Let's see what we have as an information. 13-hour battery life. Paired for stereo sound. Okay. IPX7. Waterproof. Powerful bass. That's an opinion, not a statistic or like measurable thing. 15 cool lighting effects. Yes, the thing that I love in my speakers, lighting effects instead of sound. And a Bluetooth and a TF card audio input. Okay, let's just get into it. This is already ripped. Like, why? There we go. How is that stuck in there so well? Anyway, it looks like we have paperwork in here, as this is kind of like a... Come on. There we go. Oh, there's the paperwork and the cable. Cool. Of course I had to spill it out without actually wanting to do that. Stay in there and let's hope you can close fully. There we go, yes. And here is our speaker. Okay, I'm gonna connect it to my phone just so I can kind of get a sneak peek on how it sounds. Oh, there we go. Pair. These are the most underwhelming sounds, but let's hope it sounds good. Okay, I will not be subjected to any more of that. That's good enough for me. I can already tell how it sounds. Now let's do something more traditional. Okay, so just a quick little listen. I'm not really going into depth like with the sound and all that. This is just more of a personal taste for me. The basic kind of poppy music like Crab Rave, or it's just more, you know, bass and all that stuff. It sounds fine. Doesn't sound great, but it's fine. For more rock, it sounds atrocious. But that is most times the case. These are not really kind of tuned for playing music like that well, so I would say that's to be expected. In general, I probably wouldn't recommend getting this, as right now it has barely any bass, and we are supposedly using the EQ for bass. So powerful bass was a false statement. Okay, anyway, that basically sums it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.